Hi guys, I'm here with Adam of Belco Feeders and Brad of Edgewater Automation. Um, we're looking at some really nice feeders. Adam, can you tell us a little bit about these?
Absolutely. Yeah, so these are our Belco vibratory feeder bowls. On our left side here, we're feeding O-rings out of a 16-inch vibratory bowl. We have a proprietary coating on here that we like to use for plastic parts. For these rubber O-rings, it glides very nicely. But on our standard Belco system, we will offer a feeder bowl and vibratory drive mounted to a 1-inch ground nickel base plate, steel base plate. Belco uses digital controllers, CUH controllers, to run all of our systems. So all daisy chained together in a lockable box here with a 16-inch vibratory track. So a ballpark on a nice system like this, we're looking at about $16,000 for the components I just mentioned. Here's another system that we have feeding some small metal inserts. You could take a look at these, pretty complex part that we're feeding on these. Looking at a 12-inch bowl right here, feeding at about 60 parts a minute. And we can take a look at how the special tooling on this works to orient these parts. We'll do a quick demo here. A lot of the magic will happen right around on the back side once we get the bowl to run.
So Adam, I see you've got some tooling out here that can maybe receive multiple parts.
That's right. So this is a 4-position motor-driven escapement. We have a Harwin ball screw that controls the motor. Now we don't have this hooked up to a PLC right now, but the way this will work is we'll shuttle over and we can load in 4 inserts at a time, one at a time, and then this will shuttle back for a robot to come in and pick all 4 parts out at one time.
Is the escapement and receiver tooling something that would come from you guys as well?
This is something that comes from us. We design the escapement. It will come with your system. These can vary in range, depending on the complexity and type of motor and drive that we need. So we offer motor-driven and pneumatic-driven escapements.
Okay, very nice, very nice. And can you tell us a little bit about this flex feeder back here?
Yeah, so this is going to be one of Belco's newest product offerings. It's coming out of an R&D stage as we finalize the technology here. Flex feeders are really great for feeding multitude of parts, and what Belco offers is the feeding table here, and with a vision system and robot to pick out these parts that need to be integrated to make a full turnkey solution.
Okay. So is this just one size you offer for now, or is there multiple sizes?
Yeah, there's multiple sizes. We're looking at a 200 model right here. When we do offer these, we'll have between 100 all the way up to a 500 model. So we'll be able to feed parts about 9 inches long or 9 inch in diameter on one of our largest models.
Very good. And you can run multiple different products in one of these, correct?
That's right.
Yeah, very nice. Well, guys, if you have any manufacturing problems that you need some solutions for, we'd love to look at them with you and maybe get some support from Belco as well. Thanks.